from 7 delegates. We're going to count down to 3. Who among the 7 delegates will continue and had a chance to wear the crown? Ladies and gentlemen, the first Bilibili to advance is Bilibili. Before I announce, holding hands ng tanan, palimutan ako sa holding hands. Kung dili tawago na inyong number, kumupa ang kabot.
Ladies and gentlemen, the first Bilibili to advance is Bilibili. Bilibili Bond.
6 more Bilibilis. 2 remaining spots. One of them belongs to Bilibili. Bilibili 1. Huwag ka tapos pag-ampo. Ikaw na mapupunin ka nila pag hinggat pagsugod, hanggang na humanag, shades. Pero wala yung maloy! Naklaro na yung batikon!
Ladies and gentlemen, we already announced our 2 Bilibilis, 5 remaining candidates.
One of them is about to become our Match A Mascot 2024.
Still living your dreams tonight.
Congratulations! Claim your spot!
Bilibili!
Kamusta mga number 7? Ikaw kasama mo, mga nakay ka, napulitan ka. Bilibili 3!
Bilibili 3!
Let's give it again, our top 3 finalists. And I am here in my hand the result. Let's do the recap. Bilibili 5, Bilibili 1, and Bilibili 3. There you have it, our top 3 finalists. To those who are not able to be in the final, still, congratulations. My God, we really appreciate your presence, your effort, everything. Job well done. Thank you so much, candidates. For a total of 20 points. Slow down the music. Again, the criteria for judging for the final round is able to answer the questions, of course, ang pinaka-main na ay unod or content ang inyong tubag. And it possesses 10 points. For the stage presence and delivery, 10 points. Again, 10 points. Overall, 20 points. So good luck to the three of you. Let's do this. I would like to have our first Bilibili, Bilibili 5. Bilibili 5. Congratulations, and you also won Ayub Bag. The question is, sa mga kalisod nga nasinapi natong tanan, unsay usa ka maayong balita nga pwede nimong i-share? Balik mo ang maong pangutana. Sa mga kalisod nga nasinapi natong tanan, unsay usa ka maayong balita nga pwede nimong i-share?
Balik ko na po, may gabi sa tanan. Salamat sa tanan. So, thank you for the question also. So, sa Agtubag, sa tanang kalisod, nagian na sinati, nako mismo, kung sa may akong usa nga i-share para ka ninyo. This situation is kanang usa lang. Usa ka butang nga dili din ako makalimutan. Ang kalisod sa aning pinabuhian sa pagbuhi kay ngano usa patanong ko ta na natay liwat usa na siya ka challenge para namo ngano ko magpadayon sa akong pangandoy sa akong mag-eskwela karon kana siya na challenge kana siya na kanang situation mo na naghatag nako power to move on forward to my dream, and I thank you.
Thank you so much, Binibini. Fine. You can take it easy para makarelax ka. No, pinakalimut ko ng balita share is, there is God every day. Binibini, what? You also have your best is season in the best introduction. Pero ko na such thing daw, fairness. What a coincidence. Anyhow, bigger question? And of course, ako lang sila natin na yung presensya ko sa kanunayong magsuporta sa itong mga kaisukunan ng miyembro sa mga organisasyon, ang LGBTQIA+ community in our very own city of Baybay. Headed by Jeannie Lumatuan, my KMGS manager. Okay, your question is, unsay pinakalisod nga nasinapi nimo unsay pinakalisod nga sinabi mo karong gabi-una o gabi-una o giunsan mo kini pagkatubang. Balikon ko ha para mas mabaho. Unsay pinakalisod nga nasinabi mo karong gabi-una o giunsa kini mo pag-atubang. Take your time. Go. This is the final round.
Yan, may gabi isa na usa ang pinakalisod nga na sinati nako karong gibiuna ang aray nga dili sugdan sa akong gilikanan kay tungod di sa gusto mamayani ko pero mas gipili nako nga mo ni para mapalipay nako. That's all. Thank you.
Binibini. Wow. Thank you so much. You can take it easy. Relax. Ay, sorry. Sorry to be up here. Okay. Kaya yun mas ikuan na ako na kung siya. I'm going to use this one as my headrest. Okay. You also want best in your answer will determine if you serve the ground tonight. Unsay pinakadakong pagsuway nga natagamtaman sa mga kabatanunan karon. Baligon ko ang maong pamana. Unsay pinakadakong pagsuway nga natagamtaman sa mga kabatanunan karon. Please.
Para na to, kung sa'yo pinakatakot pagsuway, na tagadaman sa mga padanong talon, ang midakog na walay amahan, lisod kayo, promise, kanay, thank you.
Daghang salamat sa pagpadala ng tulunganon. Paliho ko. Yes. Let's do this, muscle. Barangay Maslo, Match Day 2024 runners-up. The second runner-up,
Our second round will receive a sash, a cash, and a crown.
one of the most expensive crown in the universe. Ladies and gentlemen, to present the award for second runner-up, I would like to request Honorable Dexter J. Steele, together with Mr. Rolly Villasis. Our second runner-up is Bilibili. Bilibili 3. Ladies and gentlemen, second runner-up, Bilibili 3. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to announce the first runner-up. Simply means that the candidate for the Bilibili number, Kadili Matawag, is automatically our grand winner tonight. But before that, I would like to request the presenter of our first runner-up. Can we have Honorable P? Together with Clarito Flores.
Hindi ako kapasa. Sorry, Honorable.
Our first runner-up winner will receive sash in cash. And again, one of the most expensive crown. A special and important announcement that the rule of the first runner-up is very important. For any reason, if our queen cannot fulfill her duty, the first runner-up will take her place. Ladies, good luck to the both of you. I'm sweating. Screen your Pilipinas number. Our ha? Si Walter pala 5 ini.
Binibini